Hello guys, and welcome to another video where I will be showing you how to make a bouncy ball in Build-A-Boat. So you want to grab your bouncy blocks and you want to lay them out like this. Make sure they're flat, and then make sure it's like half a block out on each side, like this. Then you want to grab your Then you just want to continue this process until you get like a spiraling upside down pyramid shape. If this goes accordingly, you should have a nice bouncy ball. As you can see, I'm adding a few more layers, like this. Now just space this one out like this. Make sure it's one stood out. Now we're going to clone this on the other side. Invert it. Oh, that looks a bit off. Put that down, put that down. Like that. Looks a bit flat. We need to make that layer. Have one more. And now we have this little squarish bouncy ball. Now if we move it up a bit, like this, and we unanchor, it now bounces, and you can even like kick it, like hit it and stuff. It's super cool. As you can see here, it's like bouncing everywhere, and it does not like to stop bouncing. It just goes. And as you can see, if I put it like super high up, select all unanchor, it bounces even more uncontrollably. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as you can see, it's the bouncy ball so bouncy it bounced away from me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe for more.